Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to look at the basic navigation inside of Blender. Now, this is very important that you get very familiar with these shortcuts because you will use them constantly. So the first one is orbiting around your scene in the 3D viewport. It is really simple. You just hold in the middle mouse button on your mouse and then just move around. And as you can see that it will orbit around your scene inside of the 3D viewport. Next, if you hold shift while holding the middle mouse button, you will pan around. So you can pan left to right or up and down. So that's just an easy way to pan around your scene. Next is you hold in control while still holding middle mouse button, and that's going to give you a zoom. So either zooming in or zooming out. So let's recap quickly. Just holding the little mouse button and moving around as orbiting around your scene. Holding shift with middle mouse button will pan around. Holding control with the middle mouse button will zoom in and out. So keep practice until you are comfortable to pan around, orbiting around, and zoom in and zoom out. Another thing that you can do is you can click on one of these objects in the scene to select them. If you want to edit cube, just click the cube. If you want to edit the camera, just click camera. Or to edit light, just click light. So you can also select multiple objects. So I can drag a box around the light, the cube, and also the camera. So that's how you can navigate around the 3D viewport inside of Blender. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.